How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. So without any further ado or without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to withdraw your money from Binance to Revolut, let us explore the options that we have. Now, to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut, assuming that you've already sold your crypto and you have got some kind of balance within your Binance account, once you log into Binance.com or Binance.us, depending upon whichever region you're in, and making sure that you're logged in, click the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to the option called Dashboard and select it. Then when you come to this dashboard tab, these are the options that you will see, and you will see your estimated balance either in BTC or USD or whatever else it is. Now, once you've done that, click on the withdraw button on the right hand side of the screen. When you click the withdraw button, you'll be able to withdraw this to your bank account. So you cannot directly withdraw to your Revolut account, but you can go to this withdraw Fiat option. And then after that, you'll be able to withdraw this to your bank account. And then from that bank account, you can actually deposit on your Revolut account. So this is the indirect way to do it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.